Hello, hi, good evening. In the last video, we were discussing about how to delete duplicate rooms in Revit. How to delete a duplicated room in Revit, and how to delete extra rooms in Revit. Okay. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a room schedule before actually creating it in the model, before actually placing it on the model. Okay. Uh, for example, I'm going to start from scratch. Okay, I'm going to close the project. Let's create a new project. Okay, so I'm going to create a project. In case if you are working in a group, one resource is working on the model, another resource working on room schedule, then you can do it like this. So for example, here I don't have any model to place a room, but I can create a room schedule. Let me show you how. Go to view, go to schedule, take schedule and quantities and go for rooms. Okay, room schedule, and say okay. Then here you can select the necessary parameters like name, number, so you might need area, count, volume, wall finish, floor finish. Okay, so level you can take and you can say okay. See, for now there is no room placed, but there is a room created in the schedule. Let's go to view. Now here you can see clearly, so I am in the room schedule, right? But here you can see I have not placed any room, but there is a room created in the room schedule. If I need more rooms, I can insert a row above selected, below selected. So this is for adding it for the title. Okay, so insert data row. You can see I'm adding multiple rooms. So let's say this is an entrance room. Then we have living room. Then we might have kitchen, toilet, and bedroom. Then open to sky area. Then we'll have terrace. Okay, so we also have room number, but you can see here in the area it is showing as not placed. Yes, it's not placed, but we can create the schedule. We can also add wall finish. So those details we can add. In case of adding tile for wall, so for toilet we can say that wall finish is tiling, vitrified tiling or tiling. Ceramic tile, we can write floor finish, granite or tile, ceramic tile, granite. So those kind of details you can add. And when you are finishing the schedule, okay, so when you are after finishing the schedule, you can place it in the model. Okay, the levels, you can see it's not placed, volume not computed, area not placed. So now we are going to place it in the model. Let's say this is a model. Okay, now I'm going to add the room which is already created in the schedule. Let's go to architecture, go to room, and then so here you can see automatically place room. So we can click, then everywhere it will be placed. Okay, send the highlight boundary. Okay, and so in the options bar we can set the room limit. I'm going to set it as level 1, offset let it be 0, and the room here you can see, so whatever the rooms available to place in the schedule will be listed here. So here you can select, and you can place. So once you place, that will be removed from the list. Okay, so let's go to architecture and then take a room tool from the list, select the room, and then just place. So this is helpful if you are using the same project template for multiple project. You can create all the room schedule, you can add all the finishes details, and so whenever you are creating the model you can just select the room and you can just place. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so that's how you have to place the room. Once you place, area will be computed. Okay, so to compute volume you have to go to room and area and go for area and volume commutation, and here select area and volume, say okay. Now volume also computed for whichever the rooms placed. Okay, so now you can add color scheme. Go to annotate and select color fill legend, and you can just place here anywhere. Here you can select room, and based on the room number you can give color fill. Okay, so you can also do it with the room name. Okay, it's up to you how do you want to do. In case if you are deleting this room schedule, your color fill remain the same. In case if you want to remove the color fill, go to properties, and here go for color scheme. Here you can select none. Okay. So now it's just black and white. If you want to add a color scheme, you can also do it with the instance property, add color scheme by room name. Okay, that's it. So legend you can add anytime. Just take the legend and place. Okay, I hope now you have understood how to create a room schedule even before creating the model. Okay, in case if you're having any doubt, please let me know. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.